This is a video demonstration on how to check tester's output emittance voltage. This is Tron with Auto Tektronix. First, we're going to need a stable 12-volt power supply or battery. Here, we're going to use a jump start battery back. We're going to connect it to a voltmeter. The voltmeter positive hooks up to the power supply positive. The negative hooks up to the negative power supply. We read the voltage. The voltage reads 12.32 volts. Pretty healthy power pack. Now we're going to disconnect the positive from the voltmeter from the power pack. Reads 0. Now we pick up the tester we would like to have tested. It just happens to be a test light. We check the test light to see if it's working. Test light's working fine. Now we connect the test light to the positive of the voltmeter, and we probe the positive of the power supply. Read the voltage. 12.31 volts. This can inadvertently harm electronic components. The emittance of this probe is 12.31 volts. This can damage inadvertently a lot of electronics. Now we get a hold of another tester. This one has an LED, light emitting diode. We check it. Shows green. And it works the opposite way. Now we take this tester and hook it up to the positive of the voltmeter and probe the positive of the power supply. And we read the voltage. The voltage is 10.98. This can damage electronic components. Don't be fooled. The voltmeter does not lie. Here's another tester. Looks like it has even some electronics in it. We check to see if it's working. Yes, works fine. We connect it to the positive side of the battery, of the meter, excuse me, and then we probe the positive side of the battery. 12.31 volts. This can inadvertently damage electronic components. Don't be fooled. The voltmeter does not lie. Now we're going to look at Polartron 1. Polartron 1 is a 3-lead meter. It is non-biased, so it doesn't matter which way you hook it up. It's non-polarized. Connecting it to the power supply, doesn't matter which way. And then we probe the tip with the voltmeter. We probe the tip, we read the voltage out of the Polartron 1. Voltage is 4.85 volts. It is safe for electronic components. Manufacturers warn us that over 5 volts can damage electronic components. Polartron 1 is a safe instrument to use around electronics. It reads both polarities, negative and the positive. And on both sides it puts out a voltage of 4.85 volts. Polartron 1 is safer, faster, and more effective. It is 100 times faster than any 2-lead bipolar tester. Polartron 1. probe of the future, and the future is here.